I always tell somebody, the more you guys are going to fight, that's what costs money. It's the back and forth, the lawyers sending letters constantly. And of course, when you're dealing with someone who was, whether it, coercively controlling during the relationship, if they can't control you in the relationship anymore, then they're going to change their tactics, right? And they're going to try to find a way that they can control you outside the relationship. And that's usually through your lawyer. If they can't access you, then they might try to increase your legal fees. That could be sending, letters every single day, bringing motions to court that really have no likelihood of success, but just trying to wear you down or smoke you out of the proceedings per se, so that you can't afford to continue with your lawyer. So what I usually say to people when they are experiencing this type of behavior is to let the lawyer that they're interviewing with or they're consulting with know that this is what they're dealing with, and see what their strategy is. My strategy is that I usually say, listen, I understand this type of legal abuse. So I will, right at the outset, maybe send a letter to the opposing party and say, you know what, I will only respond to one letter per week. That's one strategy that you could take. Or just to be aware and say, you know what, I'm not going to respond to every letter. I do have to send it to you, but I won't be necessarily, billing or docketing for every letter I receive, because at some point, we just kind of have to set it aside and not keep responding.